Freddy the Flamingo flew to a fair with purple sunglasses and jelly bean hair. He twirled on a teacup, spinning with glee, then bounced on a cloud made of whipped cream and tea. He played peekaboo with a cotton candy goat and rode on a marshmallow sailboat float. He juggled cupcakes on a licorice swing while singing a tune with a peppermint ring. He danced with owls in a donut parade with glittery frosting and soda pop shade. He slurped rainbow noodles from the sky and waved to a giraffe on a lemon pie. When stars began to tickle the moon, he hummed a lullaby soft as a tune. Freddy yawned on a caramel mat, dreaming of frails and a cookie cat. Dreaming of frails and a cookie cat.